This dictation material has been obtained from Commonwealth Para 30. The first man made object to free itself from the earth's pull and to fly off to the outer distances may be worth several lines in the newspaper full stop. The second such object may be much bigger and it may leave the earth much more quickly, but because it is not the first, it cannot hope to get the interest of the public in the same way. Full stop. In these days, we have the most wonderful machines to do for us addition, division, and other sums. Full stop. 1,000 sums in the second is nothing to such a machine. Full stop. Quickly and still more quickly the figures fly, but the public hardly cares. Full stop. It is probable that there was much more interest 300 years ago in the first adding machine ever made. Full stop. That first machine was made by a young man in the attempt to lessen the labors of his father, who was responsible for taxation and who worked long hours adding up figures. Full stop. Further machines followed, and it is interesting to note that all those early machines were made by people working by themselves, all on their own. Full stop. In these days, the usual thing is for organized works to act together in such matters. Full stop. The first machine could work only addition or take away sums, but in a few years a machine was made that could be used for division, and that represented a most important step in the development of such machines. Full stop. The quick development of this country during the machine age 100 or more years ago brought with it a growing demand for adding machines. Full stop. Business and industrial growth took place inside by side with the growth in the size of the banks and the increased use of the credit system. Full stop. It was natural that the time soon came when most banks and offices could not think of operating without the help of adding machines. Full stop. Now we have machines that can do the most surprising and difficult pieces of work. Full stop. Difficult sums that might take a man a year or more to do are carried out in a matter of minutes. Full stop. If the machine goes wrong, it knows that it has done so, and it takes action to put things right. Full stop. These machines are said to have a memory. They are even said by some to think. Full stop. In fact, some man somewhere has to do the thinking first, and the machine acts afterwards according to that man's instructions. Full stop. It cannot act by itself, but can do only what it is told to do. Full stop. It cannot therefore be said to have a mind and to be able to think. Full stop. The machine can, however, store facts and figures and make us of them later, and in that way it perhaps can be said to have a memory. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as BA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shadra.